So today Enrique is going to do a cinnamon challenge, and we're going to use a utensil that we usually use to beat our children. Let's do this. Get cinnamon. This is one big spoon. It's like bigger than my eye.
Really, David?
Alright, we're going to do the cinnamon challenge with the old Mexican beater.
Alright, let's do this.
Ready? Alright, let's see.
Oh my god.
Right
There we go.
Stop it.
Ready?
Here comes the airplane. Here comes the airplane. Shut up. Alright, here comes the airplane.
You're not throwing up, are you?
I don't think anything. I don't think it went. Oh, it's. I don't think anything went in his mouth. I think it's all in the spoon. Well, yeah, none of it really went in his mouth.
Is he throwing up?
Yeah. Clean this up.
I don't know. What am I supposed to clean it up with?
To clean that up. Yeah, well, nothing really went in his mouth.
No, it did. Almost everything.
What do you mean almost everything? Almost everything's on the ground.
Is it really that bad?
I don't think it's cinnamon. It fucking tastes like dog.
I don't know if that's cinnamon.
Oh, it smells like ass in here.
You couldn't make it to the toilet.
No.
They didn't throw up on my floor. Oh, dude. Jesse, what the hell is wrong with you?
I didn't know where to put it.
Alright, that was fun.